DriveCast, Episode 4 on overclockedbrain.com.
Hello and welcome to another edition of DriveCast. My name is Ian Schwartz. Today's topic is going to be about development. Software development, web development, any kind of coding that you can think of. So, way back in the day, I got really interested in wanting to learn how to develop. So I did some research and I found some resources online where I started learning HTML. Found it pretty easy and very intriguing, so I started building HTML websites, and I was super excited. This was, years ago. And I was like, this is it. I'm going to be a coder, blah, blah, blah. And then I started looking at some PHP code and got really, really confused. So I dropped the whole coding thing for a while. Didn't quite understand it. And many years later, come to today, or not today, but in the recent future, I wanted to pick it up again, and I wanted to learn PHP. I want to understand how to think like a developer, and that's probably the single hardest thing that I've found about trying to learn how to code right now, is that there's plenty of great resources out there when it comes to what do these code things mean, what are these tags, what's a variable, what's a function. There's lots and lots of resources explaining what these things are. However, there aren't a whole lot of resources about how to think like a developer. So let's use a problem as an example. Let's say I want to find out how many characters are in my name, which is a string, and then I want to randomly pick one of those characters and then capitalize that character. There isn't a whole lot of tutorials on how to go, okay, well, first we need to figure out this, and then we need to figure out this. One website that I've been using is called Code Academy, and this example actually comes from that website. And Code Academy gave this example, and they give you a blank piece of paper and are like, go, after they had already defined all the variables and whatnot. And I got really confused because I'm like, well, what do I start with? Like, where's the best place to begin? And there really wasn't any explanation of it. And I ended up having to go to the forums and get help. And this is a very basic equation or code that needed to be written for this problem. And I felt, once I found out the answer, I felt like, why didn't I know this logic of problem solving? Okay, well, the first thing I need to figure out is, let's find a random character, and then work backwards from that, which is pretty much how I explained it to myself as. And I still can't find any good resources that do this. So if you know of any, please share them with me, because I'm very interested in learning how to think more like a coder and how to present logic and the best way of displaying that logic once you've come up with it. So leave your comments. If you want to make a video, send it on over. We've got our live streaming all set and ready. The website is launching, and I have a very good feeling about the live events. So if you're watching this, you should definitely go check out our live events. It's the first Sunday of every month as of right now. It might change later. But you can go to our website, overclockedbrain.com, for more information and any information, how to contact us, ask us questions, if you have resources and you want to submit information, whatever you want to do. We'd love to hear from you. We're always happy to get input and hear what people have to say. So thank you very much, and look forward to hearing from you guys later. Bye.